We're back. Number 6. You excited?
This is the 6th day?
6th episode. This is the last day that I'm gonna be here, at least for a while. 'Cause I'm going to Georgia. I've got all my stuff here. I'm going straight from here to the airport. In like 9 hours, but still. So today is flooring. We are getting the flooring done. Or at least as done as we can. Oh, look at that backyard. Look how clear it is. I wonder who did that. That's pretty awesome. Boards. Doing the boards. Oh my goodness, so many boards. This is gonna look really good. We got saws. We just built this one. It's very fancy little thing that cuts. So we're gonna measure things, and we're gonna cut things, and we're gonna make floor. Ow, my ear. We have a board. We're going to board it. Let's see how this looks. That goes there. This goes there like a jigsaw. There we go. Put it that way a little bit. Oh, it's good. So this wall curves inward. It's like an oval. Look at this thing. The boards are completely straight. This wall just like decides to curve in and then goes back to its original place. All right, where's that broom? This is an amazing house. Progress update. It's annoying because like we do a bunch and then we come to a place where we have to cut the board, and then we're like, all right, we can do a little bit more, and then we have to cut the board again. It's like everything along these walls we have to cut, and then anytime we hit a wall like this, we have to cut it. It looks really good though. It all looks very nice. It feels nice not sweating a lot. I mean, it's sweating a little bit, but what is this? That is a paper wasp. I'm gonna kill it. That's what you get. Oh, its head is still, oh wow. Whoa. It's still moving. That's what you get. Trying to finish up this room so that we can get these boards all the way to this wall here. Because once we have that filled in, then this room is going to be a lot easier because we don't have all these weird cut things. We don't have to rely on this being all the way done before we can do these. It's complicated. They bought complicated wood. You're doing great. And it looks great. close. We just need one more there so we can continue all the way. This looks really good though. We've done a lot. Almost done with this big room. I guess maybe halfway done with the big room. Not including the hallway area.
Need a piece.
Need a piece. Ugh. I just did one. I have to do more? Goodness. This looks really good though. Very nice. Got a lot done.
Yeah. Almost done. Let's go.
This is all nice. This is all really nice. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we need to do that side.
Yep.
And then we're done with this room. Final board. Wrong way. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm gonna. I didn't cut it short enough. Dang it. Here we go. In, there, in. What the? What the? One more cut. You, goodness gracious, go here. Then you, sir, almighty, sir, go here. Bam. Stuff it in. Stuff it there. Stuff it. And we're done. Looks very nice. Almost done in here. We got this whole hallway done. All the way up here. All back like that. Done. Done, and done, kind of done. I guess we need to put like a 3/4 of one right here. But other than that, we got flooring. We finally have flooring. It used to look like this. Just remember, before, after. Goodness. This vlog is probably going to be very boring. I'm so tired. I don't know what to commentate about. Hope you like the time lapses. I'm really liking this floor though. It looks so nice. There we go. Even better. So close.
Can I have that rubber mallet?
Yeah. You can. That's not rubber. That's rubber.
That's
Wow. We got a lot done. I've showed it like 15 times, but it's a lot of progress. For, I don't know, 8 hours? That's the end of episode 6.